Hi friends, this is Creator. Welcome back to my channel. What if I told you you can light up an LED no matter how you connect the battery, positive or negative? It doesn't matter. LED will be glow. Let's dive right now. I hope everyone is familiar with diodes. This is called diode. You can observe picture 1. Here we connected positive terminal to positive terminal of diode and negative terminal of battery to negative terminal of diode. In this case, LED will glow, and this is called forward bias. It allows current flow only in one direction. You can observe this second picture. Here you can see I have changed the polarities of this diode, negative terminal of battery to positive and positive terminal of battery to negative. I just reversed what I said. Current, it allows only current in one direction. In this picture, in the second case, I have changed direction. See, now it is not glowing, LED. So by using these diodes, we are going to make our project. This is the symbol of diode. Is like positive and negative. So I'm going to draw one picture. It is called a full wave bridge rectifier. Mostly it is used in converting current like AC to DC. The purpose of this design is for converting AC current into pure DC current, but here we are going to use it for our project. Like I already showed you that this is a symbol of diode and plus and negative terminals. Okay, I think it is clearly visible to you. And now I am going to use 4 diodes. I hope it is clearly visible to you. And I just connected 4 diodes in this form. Let's give the names for these diodes. It is D1, diode 1, and diode 2, diode 3, and diode 4. So here we have to choose which terminal we want. For example, we will say it is positive and negative. The case 1, in case 1, so in conventional way they said current will flow from positive terminal to negative terminal, but in reality practical current will flow from negative terminal to the positive terminal. Whatever it may be, I will explain what there in textbook. Positive to negative it will travel. So in the case 1, current will travel through this way, and it will travel like this, and it will try to enter in this way through diode 4. But what I said you, it will not flow current, it will not allow current to flow in opposite direction. So current will current will try to choose this diode 1. So it is in the forward bias, in the right direction. So current will flow from diode 1, and it will try to go this way, and it also try to enter in this way through diode 2. But what I said, it will only allow current in one direction. It is in opposite direction. So current will not flow in diode 2 and diode 1 because they are in the opposite direction. So it will enter into LED and come in this way, and like this. And here I did not join 2 wires. It is not connected. So and it will try to enter like this, and it will come in this way through diode 3, because diode 3 in forward bias, it is not opposite direction. So it will allow current. So it will try to go in this way, and it will come to the negative terminal of battery. So I hope you understand. Now we will try to, in case 2, we will try to change these terminals of battery. Okay, and now it is negative and it is positive. Okay, now we are going to change terminals of battery. Just we are changing terminals of battery. So now current will flow from this direction. So it will come in this direction, and this wire from here to this, it will come in this direction, and like this, and try to enter diode 3, but it is in the opposite direction. So So it will choose this diode, second diode 2. It is in forward bias. Okay, current will allowed in this case, and it will try to enter LED. So it is okay. From here it will try to come in this way, and it will come here, and it will go back in this. So it is diode 4 is in right direction, forward bias. So it will try to enter, and it is allowed. Current will be allowed in this diode, and it will go from the here to, it will come back to negative terminal of battery. I hope you understand this circuit. If you don't understand, please watch again. Connect 1k ohm resistor to the LED, and you have to connect 4 diodes in this way, like a diamond shape as shown in the video. I just soldered all the diodes as shown in the picture. Don't worry, you can get full circuit diagram in the description. Link will be provided. Yeah, here we go. This is our final circuit, same as shown in the circuit diagram. Don't worry, you will get the link of a full circuit diagram in the description with details. Now it's time to test. See, now I'm connecting negative to positive and positive to negative. It is glowing and reversing. See what will happen. Yeah, our connection is perfect and circuit is correct. We have successfully made this circuit which LED glows in any direction. Yeah, it is looks like very complex, big in size. So now I am going to convert this circuit into portable, like small in size, compactable like that. See how beautiful it is. Yeah, perfect and compact in size. I just added this capacitor for any fluctuations. It will protect from fluctuations. See, yeah, it is perfectly working. Yeah, it is perfectly working in all directions. Now I am going to cover this circuit with this cardboard. Yeah, I covered this circuit. See how beautiful it is. Let's test it. Yeah, it's working. Thank you for watching up to end of the video. Have a nice day. Happy tinkering.